It's, oh my gosh, it's a whole hurricane out there. I never seen rain like this. This is really worse than a flash flood. What is this? Like, look at this. Even the walls are getting wet. Even the grass is also getting wet. And it's really like, it's raining cats and dogs out here. What is that? Y'all see that? What is that? What the heck? What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is happening? It's really raining. It's really raining a whole hurricane. Y'all can't make this up. Like, I really saw someone running all the way over there. Like, geez, look at this. Bro, the walls are getting wet more and more. Like, oh, I didn't see that. What is that? Is that, it's water? Is it? What the? Bro, y'all can't make this up. Bro, look at that. Y'all see all those, like, grass and leaves and yellow leaves coming out from trees? Look at this. Even people's porches are wet. And the roof, I don't know, is that even a roof? Yeah, it is. The air vent is also getting wet. I can see steam out of there. Oh, it's a whole hurricane out there. It's a whole hurricane. That's not a hurricane. That is a tsunami of flood. What is this? Y'all can really just see the water running down like they have a job or something. What? Sorry for the sucky quality. I hate this. I hate this quality. Like, what is this? And I'm supposed to go to Rainbow Express tomorrow. I don't think I can go to Rainbow Express if it's this. Oh! Wow. Just wow. Y'all really can't make this up. Look at that. Ew, there's even mud. Some kids like to play in the rain, but I'm not that type of kid. Even the cars are getting wet. Oh my gosh. Bro, look, see, y'all see that over there? Look at that. Oh. Wow, this is something I have not seen. Oh, y'all, did y'all see lightning? If I posted this video today, you might want to rewind. Oh. Look at all those poor leaves. Not the ants. I actually don't like ants. I don't feel bad for. Oh my gosh. The rain is coming in like it had a whole job. This guy said, no, you guys are not going outside today. It will rain. Look at this. Y'all. Can't make this up. What? All right, well, that's just wanted to show y'all rain. Bye-bye.